Alright. So, had to take a couple of precautions, lifted the entire car up, took the spoiler off. But I also stuffed a whole bunch of stuff in the back, so I think it lowered it a little bit. Hopefully, man, this is okay, and they don't need me to do anything else on this because I don't have any time anymore. Hopefully this can get on that truck and this can make it to Toronto, off to the shipping yard. All right, we here. I'm just gonna go inside, do all the paperwork, and hope everything's good. I'm not entirely sure if this is to par with their standards of what you can have inside a vehicle. This is gonna be the only way we bring our booth there unless we actually drive this car there, which that's like worst case scenario. Not gonna take any chances. So one of the truck drivers is he's gonna measure it himself to double check if it can actually fit on one of these trucks. I'll show you what it looks like. This is what we're gonna be using. They already have an FRS up there. It's pretty cool.
Got a little bit over 3 inches there.
Yeah.
So, here's what we're gonna do. When it's time, we're gonna attempt to put it on.
Okay.
If we don't, if it can't go on, we gotta bring in our flatbed. I just don't want, because we're responsible, right?
Yeah.
I just don't want, you know, problems. The sides are okay. I think, well, you damaged the rim there, right?
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
I think we'll be able to get it on.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to give us the liberty if we have to put it on a flatbed. The way we're gonna load it is we're gonna reverse it in, and that'll give us a better chance of getting this unit up there. But if not, if it doesn't work, we're gonna have to call a tow truck. And the spoiler's okay because of height. So I'm pretty confident we'll load it without a tow truck. Okay. But I asked them for permission. If it's not gonna go on, we're gonna...
Alright, that's about it. I'm gonna be dropping off my key with this dude. That's it, that's all. Just gonna be chilling, waiting for the Uber to get here. My ride. Hey, Uber driver's here. Oh, thank you. Just right here is fine, you can just park. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright, my man. Much appreciated. Yeah. You're jacking this car. Alright, let's go back home now. Oh, bird shit right there. What the fuck? I think I just touched it. It is too hot for a hoodie. And I shouldn't be complaining. We got the Presidia for the day. Okay, so I'm just gonna go home, quickly prepare. I still have to get ready for the show, and then yeah, we're gonna take this down to the BMO Center and we'll start getting ready because people are actually allowed to enter the building at 2 and it's already 12:30, and that gives me not a lot of time. See you guys at BMO Center. Yeah. Sweet license plate, bruh.
Yeah, your missus claims you assaulted us.
Turn up that hops. Alright, before the show actually starts, pretty sure it's not going to get all that busy until later afternoon when people are off work because it's a weekday. So we're going to do a quick walk around and see what's up. Oh, I see a Green Ranger. That's sick, dude. Swords. Yeah. Bruh. Found Urban Pop Shop. Hugs. One for the vlog. I'm making my rounds. Probably gonna come back for this later. Oh yeah! This is the new collaboration with Rocket Shop. That is so sweet, dude. I'll catch you in a bit. Yeah. Got Nate, old friend Cloud. It's been a minute. Yeah.
Nate, Claude. Nice to meet you, bro. I'll probably swing by later.
Cloud? Yeah. Thanks for dropping by, man. You make this too?
Yeah, I made everything.
Wow. Jaffe's here now.
Like 400 more. And I'm like,
Alright, starting to get a little busier here. Me and Nate doing our rounds, checking it out with Bloodborne. We got like 3 hours left. Okay, for those of you who are wondering about my brother's shoe app, I'll show you guys what he's been working on. Hey man, what the heck? Yeah. What? Yo, that's so crazy. So he actually had to take like almost 100 shots just to get the 3D image of this shoe super clean. Ta-da! Look who visited my booth! Aku Aku! Got my bro drawn up, he's inspired. And here's my drawing. This is supposed to be me with my new companion, generic mascot that flies around the main character and you don't know what it is. Right, Nat?
see you tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Appreciated. See you tomorrow. And there he goes to fight off demons and slay evil and buy more merch.
And we will see you tomorrow for day 2 of Calgary Expo.
You heard the man. First day of Fan Expo is now officially over. That means 8 full hours of sitting behind this booth. But you know what? Usually the first days are pretty lax. So come Friday, Saturday is going to be especially busy. And Sunday, also pretty lax day. So probably just see you guys at home. If not, I'm ending this video and have another one for tomorrow. Peace. I'm terrible with names, but I remember faces, and I recognize so many people come by the booth like every single year that I have these shows. Everywhere too, not just in Calgary, so it's super cool and also humbling that so many of you guys know me. So that's pretty much it. I think we're just gonna close down the booth, probably just gonna call it a night, so catch you guys later.